you're confused about the structure, always go to the higher time frame. And here, William, I mean, again, the whole idea of looking at the up bars that are like huge up bars, comparing them to down bars in the whole structure. And you kind of could see how in this area, like maybe like starting from this area right here, this looks like the up bars are much, much better than the down bars.
I mean, there's so much to unpack here, Roman. First of all, look at this reaction down within the middle of trading range.
Let me clean this up.
No supply. Look, it's the lowest consistent volume we have. I mean, compare this selling, to this selling over here, and there's actually a lot of buying in that bar as well. So I like what you said here. The buying is very telling. But if you go to the weekly here, Roman, what I take away from the weekly, look at the price action. It's a lot flatter. We're not getting the volatility like we once had in these in the reaction. And second of all, is when we come to this overthrow here, we're oversold. That bar on huge effort versus result. Look at the spread compared to the previous bar on less volume, slightly less volume. Huge amount of buying in there, which leads to this bar, similar volume, 3 times the size spread, which is ease of movement, lack of selling. And then here, we push on up, we close firm on increased volume. Now, does that mean there's a bit of selling present? Well, it does mean there's a bit of selling, but that makes sense because we're trying to overcome all of this selling. So demand is trying to overcome supply here. But now the question is, how much selling has emerged in that bar, Roman? Is demand overcoming supply, or are sellers positioning themselves? And I'd say from the background here, I feel as if we might have another leg up. Will we try and touch up to here, Roman? We still have a lot to do because we actually overcome here, but this is very bullish behavior from here.